We're looking out at the Dakota Magic Casino because we've seen a few clouds and some showers of snow south of this area. Nothing flying for the Dakota Magic Casino at this hour. A little bit of a breeze. We do have some clouds to contend with. We're going to get to our snow chances here momentarily. Right now, 23 degrees at Hector, 25 at Moorheads Airport. Our winds today have been from the south. Those have helped bolster our temperatures significantly over yesterday's paltry readings at 18 degrees this afternoon in Thief River, 21 Jamestown, 13 Badette, and 21 for Fergus Falls this hour. All in all, we've warmed up about 10 to 15 degrees in many locations over yesterday's readings. There's those Watertown snow showers. These are pushing into southern Minnesota. They're not too widespread. There's more significant activity out near Duluth and the Iron Range. For the rest of the Red River Valley and eastern portions of North Dakota, things are very quiet for now, but changes are in the offing. Speaking of which, there's been more snow in places like Kansas, Colorado, and believe it or not, Oklahoma than we've seen all month of December in Minnesota and in North Dakota. A lot more snow down there, and it's happening again tonight. For us, we have some flakes on the way, but not this evening. Get out, enjoy, take that walk, and all in all, temperatures are going to be fairly steady thanks to that south breeze at around 10 miles per hour. Heading to bed tonight will be near 20 and we'll slip down into the teens overnight. But look at this. From the upper left-hand side of the screen, that seems to be the culprit in many of our weather patterns. We're going to see snow develop and move in by your morning commute in the Devil's Lake Basin. Greasy and slippery roads will be possible in these areas. Give yourself a little extra time. South winds will continue across the area and will already be in the early half of the day 10 to 20 miles per hour, a few with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. South winds, warm temperatures, so we'll be on our way up by the midday hour, many of us 25 to 30 degrees. Our snow will slowly advance through the region as we go through. Best chance of flakes in places like Grand Forks, Fargo, Fergus Falls, Thief River Falls will be as we go into the early afternoon, just in time for your evening commute. So a few slippery roads. This isn't going to accumulate rapidly, but it's going to just be passing flakes of snow as we go into the late afternoon and early evening here in the Southern Valley. And then in the evening, it will exit through parts of central Minnesota and dry up. How much snow are we talking? You can see here, it's not a big deal, but it doesn't take a lot for slippery conditions. The best chance at an inch or so will be in the Northern Valley. The rest of us will see a trace to a half of an inch or so. Here's a look at your planning forecast. 15 to start your morning in Fargo, cloudy skies and that south wind upwards of 25 miles per hour at times. Temperatures will warm to near freezing and the best chance of flakes in Fargo will be in around that 2 o'clock hour. We could see flurries earlier, but the best chance for seeing those accumulating flakes will be in the early to mid-afternoon. As we take a look at your temperatures, it'll be warmest out to the west with those mid-30s there, the rest of us below freezing, with snow showers in the afternoon passing from the valley into western Minnesota. Kim captured a great shot here of the setting sun next to and amongst the trees. Thanks for taking the time for your view of the Grand Forks area. Now a look at your planning forecast Thursday. Quiet. We like quiet, and we're still way above average at 33 degrees. A little sun as well. On Friday, can't rule out another slap of light snow. It doesn't look like a big deal. Temperatures remaining in the 30s. Now we start the weekend taking a little bit of a setback. Cali will be in the 20s. But on Sunday, we're going to be near 40 degrees, and again on Monday. And as that warmer air punches in, we could see mixed precipitation. Again, not a big event by any stretch of the imagination. And do you believe that this gets us into the latter third of the month of December, and we're still talking about near 40-degree weather?
Crazy. We're just getting lucky.
Yes, indeed.
Thanks, Hutch.